This past 2 weeks, the students at Flambeau Tribal Technology Institute have achieved a great deal. The Tribal Technology Institute, a program that is part of the Information Technology Academy, which aims to service students with the ultimate goal of increasing their enrollment, retention, and graduation rates at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. The focus of this 2-week institute is for the students to be familiar and comfortable with computers. In our projects, we used simple applications like Notepad to industry standards like Photoshop and Illustrator to create assets for our students' sites. We use spreadsheets to keep track of university research and budgets for our computer projects. Information technology is not the only focus we have here at TTI. We also spend significant amount of class time on college readiness, leadership, personal safety, and cultural awareness. Let's hear some reflections of the students about this past 2 weeks.
Well, the program is fun. It has a lot of computer aspects to it, which I personally like. And we had a hardware day, and I'm really into the hardware of computers. So that was definitely fun. Challenges were probably learning all the Adobe programs for Illustrator and Photoshop, because I didn't know very much of that.
One of the hardest things I've done would be the coding, probably, because you have to remember a bunch of things and it's hard. My favorite thing would have to be taking pictures and the field trips we went on as a group. The easiest things I've done would be filling in spreadsheets and coding, because I've done that before. I would recommend this program because it's really fun, and at the same time you're working towards going to college. You do it with a lot of cool people, so it's fun.
We learn how to make a website, and we learn how to Photoshop and create different things in different Adobe systems. Or my favorite project is probably Photoshop, but I'm not the best Photoshopist, but I still like Photoshopping. One of the hardest things I ever did in this program was website making, because I'm dyslexic, and it's kind of hard because all the things are like smaller, or like P, and everything's like a shortcut, and it's kind of hard to, but I think I got it now. This program is helpful, and I would hope my sister would do it when she gets old enough.
My favorite day was field trip day, and we went to the museum, and we had cameras and we took pictures, and we also went to the Visatry, and we also went to the natural resource building, and it was only fun because we had cameras and we were taking pictures.
We had to go on a website called newegg.com and search for specific computer parts like the CPU and the graphics card and sticks of RAM, and had to fit them all so that they'd be compatible, and if there wasn't one that was compatible, it had to go and you had to find another one. Over the last 2 weeks, I learned more about how to utilize technology, and especially Adobe programs.